Is your personal info on CocoFinder? Let's remove it. Protect your privacy in a few easy steps. CocoFinder is a people search site that displays personal details like your name, address, and phone number. Removing your data is key to keeping your private information safe. Here's how to remove your information from CocoFinder in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Visit CocoFinder.com. Go to the People Search section and enter your first and last name, city, and state. Then click Start Search. Step 2. Find your listing and click the green Check Details button. Copy the URL of your listing from the address bar. Step 3. Scroll down and click Remove My Info. In the new window, click the Opt-out form link. Step 4. Sign in with your Google account and fill out the form with your name, email, profile URL, and reason for opting out. Then click Submit. If you don't have a Google account, email your request to support@cocofinder.com. Step 5. A confirmation message will appear, and your request will be processed within 24 to 48 hours. Your data isn't just information. It's a gateway for scammers, spammers, and identity thieves. Taking your information off sites like CocoFinder reduces those risks and helps protect your digital identity. CocoFinder is just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless data brokers out there exposing your personal information. Let Delete My Info do the hard work and remove your details from multiple sites. Visit DeleteMyInfo.com today and enjoy real peace of mind. Hit like and subscribe for more easy privacy protection tips. Stay secure and stay safe online.